Yes, let's see how you can set your iPhone after you have finished to format it to erase all content on the iPhone. We start by typing on button, we double tap, you choose the language, we take English. You can choose your country, you can even change later, but it's okay. Let's continue like this. Tap setup manually, tap continue, and when it reaches here, you need a connection Wi-Fi. Use Wi-Fi, continue without Wi-Fi, or use Wi-Fi, or let's try continue without Wi-Fi. You see, it is not working. That's why you have to choose Wi-Fi. So you will need a working Wi-Fi. It's up here. It is trying to find. Okay, the Wi-Fi is there. I have chosen to use Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi is okay. And after putting the Wi-Fi password, it will take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. You see, I think you can see the message, right? Yeah, so you have to hold on a few minutes, between 2 and 3 minutes. Tap continue. Here they are asking you to put your fingerprint. You can say touch later, don't use. See, password option, don't use password, don't use, don't transfer. You tap here, you tap setup later in settings, don't use. I think you are on the way with me. You tap on agree, you tap continue, 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 city. You say you will set later in settings, screen timers, tap continue, continue, you tap continue. You can put it in dark mode or light mode. Let me leave it in light mode. In standard. You see, phone is ready to use. And after you can come and you put on your iCloud and wherever you can go to put the passcode and everything, but your phone is ready to use now. So you can do it yourself. It is easy and simple. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it and comment. And if you need anything you need to know about iPhone, just hit the comment and they'll let me know. I can help. Thank you.